the second thing I want to say is, for whom is this course designed? As a MOOC course, this course is designed for those of you who are interested in philosophy and curious about classical Chinese culture. If you have a habit of self-reflection, if you like to think further through what is going on in life, you are on a track of philosophical thinking. Philosophical thinking can be developed at any point in life. This is of great importance. American philosopher Stanley Cavell gave a definition of philosophy. Philosophy is education of grown-ups. This is life education. Today, life education is a fashion all over the world. As I said earlier, Chinese culture covered in this course is a culture of classical period in China's history. This historic period is called by Karl Jaspers the Axial Age. During the first millennium, almost simultaneously, there emerged an awakening of human spirit in Near East, Greece, India, and China. This course is to provide you a guide about what is going on in China at the Axial Age. So, this course does not only satisfy your philosophical thinking, but also gets you an access to China's culture in the Golden Period. Okay, the next question is, what is to be learned from this course? First, through this course, you will get a philosophical training. Philosophy is not a body of theses. It is a process of intellectual activities. To do philosophy is to live a form of life. If you are familiar with Wittgenstein, you will know what I am talking about right now. Anyhow, you are not required to learn a set of philosophical theses from this course. Rather, you are offered intellectual training in an essential way, philosophical training. As I said a minute ago, this is life education in essence. Second, this course is to introduce you into China's culture in its golden historic period. That was a seedbed for Chinese thoughts throughout its history. Confucianism and Daoism combine to shape what Chinese mentality is like. Confucianism and legalism constitute the backbone of Chinese ethics and politics. From Moism, you can see religion, philosophy, logic, science, and military in their initial development 2,500 years ago. The last question, what is required to do in this course? The first thing, before taking the lecture, you are supposed to do the required reading, write down the questions and the puzzles that you might have. The second thing, during the lecture, you need to take notes, highlighting the key points. When you feel puzzled over the lecture, pause and think it through. The third thing, After taking the lecture, you should complete the assignment and submit it as required. The last thing, we also have discussion session. You can discuss the problems with the teaching assistants and me. Last, I will say something about the textbooks and recommended readings. The textbook. We have only one textbook for this course. It is Benjamin Schwartz. His book, the title of this book is The World of Thought in Ancient China. My lectures are fundamentally based on this textbook. You are strongly encouraged to read the book for more details. Our after-class discussions are also built in what is presented in this book. I have some recommended readings. You can see by yourself. Okay, so much for this lecture. Thank you.